Olli is a small yet picture-perfect town in India. It is India's premier ski destination, which is very famous amongst tourists and also ski professionals. The best time to visit this town is obviously the winters, and in this video we're going to be bringing you the top 10 best hotels in Olli with the cheapest booking code, so you can get the best hotel deal at the best price. The hotel list is not in order, so make sure that you watch the video till the end so we can help you select the best hotel for your stay. Casa Himalaya Olli. Casa Himalaya, being in the Nanda Devi, has some amazing views of the Nanda Devi peak. We highly recommend the Casa Himalayas if you're looking out for peace and solitude amongst the mighty Himalayas. You also have the Olli Ski Resort just at a 3-minute walk from the hotel. They can also plan a beautiful candlelight dinner, especially if you're visiting on a honeymoon and you want to surprise your loved ones. They have good quality staff and they are always ready to help, and they're also very knowledgeable. The food served at their in-house restaurant is delicious, and the chef takes special care in all your needs in terms of food. The hotel has different categories of rooms available with large French windows giving you beautiful views of the mountains. The beds come with an electric bed warmer for each side of the bed with 3 modes, super comfy mattresses and pillows. You can also experience the 120-degree view of the mountains while you're laying on the bed with the beautiful morning sunrise. They also provide an amazing seating area outside your room where you can enjoy a cup of coffee with beautiful views. Pricing of the rooms here starts from around 13,000 rupees. Make sure that you check out the cheapest booking codes in our description box down below. The Arayam Olli. This amazing location is located in a very peaceful and calming environment. It's perfect for those of you who just want to unwind and relax yourself because it's a perfect detox place. The staff here is very helpful and make sure that you have a very comfortable stay. The views of the mountains are absolutely mesmerizing and breathtaking, so be ready to take a lot of pictures and videos to create beautiful memories. The food here is a big plus point as they take care of your desired taste buds. It's a perfect place if you're traveling with a group of friends or even on your honeymoon. One of the perfect places to de-stress. The views from the rooms here are absolutely amazing and the rooms are super spacious and comfortable. Pricing of the rooms here is around 8,000 rupees. Don't forget to check out the cheapest booking codes for your direct booking. Blue Poppy Resort. This is another super peaceful and relaxing resort from which you can enjoy stunning views of the beautiful mountains. From the staff to the location to the ambience, this resort has everything to offer to make your stay very comfortable. You can get a beautiful 180-degree view from the deck from where you can just sit and enjoy a hot cup of coffee or tea. The food here is absolutely delicious and it's very well prepared as per your needs. The wooden cottages are really spacious and also very cozy at the same time. They have heaters available in your rooms to keep you warm. You can also enjoy amazing views from your rooms itself. The pricing of the rooms here starts from around 7,500 rupees. Don't forget to check out the cheapest booking codes in our description box down below. The Mountain Rover Olli Resort. This is an absolute beautiful and super cozy property, perfect if you're visiting on your honeymoon as the place is super romantic. The views from the resort is so breathtaking and scenic, so you'll have a lot of amazing pictures to share with your loved ones back home. It's located very well, so even if you get confused or lost, any local will be able to help you out. They provide super quick service by the staff and fast response in solving a query, which makes the stay even more pleasant. They provide super clean, hygienic and very comfortable rooms, and they are also very cozy at the same time. The views from the room is absolutely beautiful and you can enjoy the views by sitting in the outside seating area. Pricing of the rooms here is around 7,500 rupees. Don't forget to check out the cheapest booking codes in our description box down below. The Tatwa. This is an excellent place for relaxation and it has a very family vibe, and the ambience and the location is absolutely on point. From the manager to the staff, everyone is very polite and always ready to help. The chef at their in-house restaurant is also very cooperative and they leave no stone unturned to fulfill your demands in terms of food. It is also one of the only hotels in Olli that has a swimming pool which is surrounded by stunning views. The hotel has different categories of cottages available and you can also choose them according to your budget. Rooms are very cozy and comfortable and the pricing of the rooms here starts from around 6,500 rupees. Don't forget to check out the cheapest booking codes for your direct booking. If this video is helping you out and you're also enjoying it, don't forget to drop us a like button and also do subscribe to our channel for more travel tips. Snow Mount Hotel. The location is near the army helipad with great views of mountains, especially the Nanda Devi top, due to which it's not very famous, which makes it perfect if you're looking out for privacy. The views from the hotel is stunning and absolutely picture perfect. They also have an in-house restaurant, but they take prior orders, so make sure that you order your food 2 to 3 hours prior to your dinner time. The rooms are very comfortable, hygienic and clean, and you can also enjoy lovely views from your rooms itself. The pricing of the rooms here is around 4,800 rupees. Don't forget to check out the cheapest booking codes for your direct booking. GMV and Olli. This is a perfect hotel for those of you who want to disconnect from social media. You will definitely have mobile network problems and also Wi-Fi issues, so be ready for a social media detox. You can totally enjoy some privacy along with your loved ones and it's absolutely a perfect place. The ski area is very close, so if you're looking out to ski, it can be a very good option as well. It's a perfect place for adventure and also for a social media detox. The rooms here are super cozy and comfortable and the pricing of the rooms here are around around 3,500 rupees. Don't forget to check out the cheapest booking codes for your direct booking. 0 Degree Homestay. The location of this homestay is so beautiful and the hospitality here is amazing and it makes you feel completely welcoming. You can experience the stunning views of the mountains and Joshimath. This homestay is about 11 kilometers away from the main Ollie, making it very peaceful and a soothing environment. The roads that lead you to the homestay are quite narrow, so we recommend you to try and reach before sunset so it's not very scary. The amenities and services provided is nothing less than a 3-star hotel. They have some amazing board games like chess, ludo, snakes and ladder cards, so that you can have some fun during your stay here. It's perfect for a family or a big group of friends. It's a very beautiful place to have a vacation along with your family or friends. The rooms are very cozy and you can also enjoy stunning views of the mountains from your rooms itself. The pricing of the homestay is around 4,000 rupees. Don't forget to check out the cheapest booking codes for your direct booking. The Himalayan High Ollie by Himalayan Eco Lodges is one of the most beautiful budget-friendly lodge anyone could ask for with picturesque views. One of the most peaceful and calming stays that you will ever have. Amazing location, amazing ambience and also the hospitality makes you keep coming for more. The resort is absolutely picture perfect, so make sure they create a lot of videos and pictures to take some beautiful memories back home. They have limited guests so it's not very crowded, which makes it perfect if you want to enjoy some privacy with your loved ones. The view is the best part from this lodge. The rooms are super cozy and comfortable since it's located in a hilly area. You may have power cut issues, but do not worry, the lodge will take good care of it. The pricing of the rooms here is around 4,000 rupees. Don't forget to check out the cheapest booking codes in our description box down below. The Mountain View Stay in Ollie. As the name suggests that this hotel is super famous for its mountain views. The hotel gives you super calming and soothing vibes and it also provides amazing breakfast every morning, so you have a choice of buffet breakfast or a la carte. They have a beautiful terrace where you can just sit and enjoy the beautiful views while sipping onto your hot coffee or tea. The rooms here are very spacious, comfortable and the pricing of the rooms here is around 9,000 rupees. Don't forget to check out the cheapest booking codes in our description box down below. Don't forget to share your comments if you're planning to visit Ollie or if you have already visited Ollie. Let us know how your trip was. This is Divya from Adira Travel signing off. Stay safe, keep smiling and see you next time. Bye-bye.